Hi friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is the gym and workout t-shirt quotes bundle. Total file is 28 and these are in 4 different format. Here is DFX, EPS PNG and SVG. So you can adjust your own t-shirt sign or your client sign etc. if you want. You can use everywhere. So beast mode, wow, believe you can and you will. Okay, do something today that your future self will thank you for. Wow, fitness is not a destination, is a way of life. Wow, skin is waterproof, no excuse, run, shape your body. Wow, wow, no pain, no gain, shut up and train. Okay, no excuse, make yourself proud. Wow, strong mind, strong body, today will be good day, wake up a smile. Working out makes me feel free and alive. Your body hears everything that your mind says. Okay, beast mode, you can change color. I know you better know. And here's believe you can and you will. These are designs. Okay, wow, this design is too large. Don't be a part brain that fart. Wow, focus on your goal. Okay, I drag this file to Photoshop. You can change color or apply gradient overlay like this, or you adjust your color for black t-shirt and white t-shirt, or you select any more color if you want. I know you better know, you can do easily. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.